Hello guys, I am Shivam Singh from India, currently enrolled in Bachelor's of Computer Application with specialization in data science at SRM Institute of Science and Technology. So, as you can see, my project folder is of the basic structure of a web application. I'll not get into the details, but I'll show you the code. So this is AI Response, a web application to get quotes from anyone or any feelings or any fictional characters which is generated by AI. I have used OpenAI for this project along with GPT-3, Python, Flask, and HTML and CSS along with a bit of Jinja. Okay, so let's run the program. So we'll use the Flask run command to run our project. So okay, the server is up and running. So yes, this is AI response. Let's type in a name like Harry Potter. Let's see what he'll quote. Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times. If one or if one only remembers to turn on the light. Albus Dumbledore. So okay, it's a reference to Dumbledore. Let's try an anime character, Naruto. You must never give up on your dreams, even if they seem impossible to achieve. Never give up. Pursue your dreams with passion and determination, and anything is possible. Naruto Uzumaki. So yeah, this is my project. This is my final project for the CS50's Introduction to Computer Science. Thank you all and have a great day. I left one more thing which is in this project. We can just tap the generate thought button and let the AI make a code. So if we tap this button, see the code is available. We can do it multiple times as many times we want. So this is my project and this was AI response.